In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an online store with Hostinger Website Builder. First, open Hostinger Website Builder and choose the option to create an online store. This sets up the e-commerce foundation behind the scenes so you can manage products, carts, and checkouts without touching any code. You'll land in a clean dashboard where everything is organized into pages, design, and store settings, making it simple to navigate even if this is your first time. Next, pick a template or let the AI builder generate the website for you. If you have a strong visual style in mind, start with a template that matches your vibe and layout preferences. If you're not sure where to begin, the AI builder can create a starting point based on your business type and tone. Either way, you can change colors, fonts, and sections later, so don't worry about perfection just yet. Now edit the homepage, store pages, and overall design to match your brand. Update headlines and images on the homepage to communicate what you sell and why it matters. On your store pages, make sure categories and navigation are clear so customers can quickly find what they need. Adjust colors and typography to align with your logo and brand personality, and keep spacing consistent for a polished look. Preview how your design reads on mobile as you go, aiming for short, scannable text and clear buttons. Add your products with names, prices, descriptions, and images. Use concise, descriptive titles and write benefit-focused descriptions that answer common questions. Include high-quality images from multiple angles and add variations like size or color if applicable. Keep pricing transparent and consider a short note about materials, sizing guidance, or care if it helps customers make confident decisions. Set up payment methods and store settings. Choose trusted payment providers and enable the options your audience prefers. In store settings, review currency, language, taxes, shipping regions, and order notifications. Double check that confirmation emails sound professional and include the key details a customer expects. Before going live, check your website in preview mode, click through every page, add items to the cart, and walk through the checkout flow as if you were a customer. Look for typos, broken links, slow loading images, or confusing sections. Review both desktop and mobile to ensure everything looks crisp and works smoothly. When you're ready, publish the website so customers can start visiting your store. After publishing, keep an eye on feedback and analytics and refine your pages, products, and settings as you learn what works best. That's it. You've launched a professional online store with Hostinger.